Hey guys, Zach with Edwards Garage. Today we're going to be showing you this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ 3500. It's a truck we sold brand new, so we have a pretty good record of service history on it. But let's walk you around and show you some things. Up front, we got Aftermarket T-Rex billet grille, ultrasonic front park assist. It's got the sport package, so we have the painted front and rear bumpers, blacked out emblems. It's got the ram air intake. It's the L5P Duramax diesel engine. Moving over to this side, we have Bushwacker fender flares, bulletproof mud flaps. It's got a Pro Comp 6-inch lift, BFG all-terrain tires with fuel aftermarket wheels, GM factory running boards, the tow mirrors. Coming on back this way, you can kind of check out the condition of it. On the back, we have ultrasonic rear park assist, backup camera. Let's see if this is unlocked. It is. Factory spray and box liner, and then it has the prep package for the fifth wheel or a gooseneck ball. And then you'll see a power slide rear window on the back. And then we'll just finish up and show you the rest of the truck on the side here. And then we'll pop under the hood and show you the engine. Okay, so a little tough to see on this one because of the lift, but it is the 6.6 liter Duramax V8 engine. As I mentioned earlier, it is an L5P. It's paired with the 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. It's got over 900 pound-feet of torque, so this thing can pull whatever you throw at it. Let's go inside and show you some inside stuff. Okay, so inside the vehicle, let's point out a few things. Center console, we have a wireless charge mat, so if you have a phone that's capable, you can just set it on there and it will charge automatically. A nice big console in here with a couple USB ports, and you'll notice these channels to run your cord through. Moving forward, we have two more USB ports, 150 watt power inverter, and then two 12-volt outlets. And just below these, there's a little device holder and then a tray down here to store knickknacks. Power adjustable pedals, power adjustable pedals, traction stability control. This controls the lights in the mirrors and then your rear cargo light as well. There's LED lights in the mirrors, which is kind of neat. You'll see that on the exterior shots. The front and rear park assist, lane keep assist, hill descent control, and then the exhaust brake. There's dual zone automatic climate control, which we have on right now, so you can set the temperature, set it to auto, and it'll automatically go to there. Heated and cooled seats, and then a full touchscreen radio with gesture control, so I can swipe like that and it will react to my swipe. There is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and then we have full satellite radio. It still has a CD MP3 player, and then there's AM FM stereo as well. Bluetooth for the phone and audio, so if you like to stream music from your phone, you can do that. And then text messaging capabilities. And this is one of the new features for this style of radio, was it had an app function, so you could download audiobooks or the weather channel, which I always thought was kind of cool. So if you have Wi-Fi or you set up your hotspot your phone to it, it will do that as well, so you can get updates that way. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, so we can move it up or down, slide it in or out. On the front here, we have full driver's information controls and a screen right here that's colored, as well as our Bluetooth audio controls. In behind, we have our volume, and in behind on this side, we have radio presets. Heated steering wheel and forward collision alert over here, and then our cruise control buttons. It is automatic transmission column shift with the tow haul mode, and then you can manually shift between the gears if you shift it down to the L. Factory trailer brake control, 4 high, 4 low, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, automatic low beam headlamps, programmable driver seat settings, so that can be programmed to the key. So you have driver 1, driver 2, and you can get in, and it will automatically take the mirrors, the power pedals, the seat, and get it to your position, and then you can have a second driver with their key do the same thing and go to their settings. And then when you get out, you can have the seat and everything kind of move back, so you can get in and out kind of easy. And I really like that feature. The stereo system's a Bose brand premium sound system. There is a subwoofer and amplifier in the console here. And then over on my side, it might be a little tough to see, but we have power adjustable power folding mirrors, as well as the top halves are fully controllable here. And then power windows, and then it's got a child lockout on the door, so we can disable those interior handles from the driver's seat. You don't have to do it individually at the doors, as well as the window Up top, we have our sunroof, sunglass holder, programmable garage door buttons, as well as a power slide rear window button, and then auto dimming mirror with OnStar. Not much to see in the back, but you'll see the rear seats 60/40. And then if you look down, you'll notice it's got all-weather floor mats, and we have those up front here underneath our feet. Short of that, the vehicle's got 121,000 kilometers. Like I said, it's bought and sold here, traded back off for a brand new one. Feel free to give us any questions you have. Our phone number is 403-845-3328, or you can send us a message online.